Quick note: I can't replicate any specific creator's exact signature style, but here's an original narration with a similar upbeat, curious vibe. Here's a wild space fact. The hottest planet in our solar system isn't the closest one to the Sun. It's Venus. Surface temps on Venus hit about 465 degrees Celsius. Hot enough to melt lead. That's pizza oven hot on a planet-wide scale. Meanwhile, Mercury, closer to the Sun, is cooler on average. Why? Atmosphere. Venus is wrapped in a thick blanket of carbon dioxide, about 96.5%. Clouds of sulfuric acid. That blanket traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect. Think of it like wearing 90 winter coats to a beach party. The pressure down there? About 92 times Earth's at sea level. That's like standing 900 meters underwater. Electronics fry. Metals soften. Any human-built gadget gets crushed and cooked. Only a few robots have ever touched down. The Soviet Venera landers lasted minutes to a couple hours before the planet ate them for lunch. Later, NASA's Magellan used radar from orbit to map the surface through those clouds. Venus rotates so slowly that a Venus day is longer than its year. It spins backward, too. The sun would rise in the west and set in the east, if you could see it through the clouds. Up high, the winds scream around the planet at over 300 km/h, but near the ground it's eerily calm, like a furnace on low fan. Could Venus teach us about climate? Absolutely. It's the extreme end of the greenhouse effect, a cautionary tale baked into a whole world. And yet, 50 kilometers up in the clouds, temperatures and pressures are almost Earth-like. Some scientists dream of airship labs floating up there, doing science where it's merely hot summer instead of melt your spacecraft. New missions like Da Vinci Veritas aim to decode how Venus became hellish, and whether it once had oceans. If you thought Mercury was the heat champ, Venus just stole the crown and welded it on. Subscribe for more extreme space truths. Next stop, the coldest place you've never heard of.